In this video, we will review bundling and using jar package resources within the Java programming language. Using Eclipse, let's create a new jar file. In Package Explorer, select one or more Java elements to export. We will select our project. We can select Export either from the context menu by right-clicking on our project and selecting Export, or from the File menu, we can also find the Export option. File, Export. If the Java node isn't expanded, expand it. Expanding the Java node, select Jar File. Click Next. In the jar file specification page, select the resources that you want to export in the Select Resources to Export field. Our project's already selected. Let's deselect the specific Eclipse files. Select the appropriate checkbox to specify whether you want to export generated class files and resources, or export Java source files and resources. Note, selected resources are exported in both cases. We will leave this default option selected. In the Select the Export Destination field, either type or click Browse to select the location for the jar file. We will place the jar file in our project with the name of VTC jar.jar. Select or clear the Compress field, which compresses the contents of the jar file. We will leave it selected. You can select or clear the Overwrite existing files without warning checkbox. If you clear this checkbox, then you will be prompted to confirm the replacement of each file that will be overwritten. Let's click Next. Jar packaging options will allow you to choose what you want to export. We will leave it as such for this example. Click Next. Let's talk about the manifest file for the Java archive format, or jar. The manifest file is a special file that can contain information about the files packaged in a jar file. By tailoring this meta information that the manifest contains, you enable the jar file to serve a variety of purposes. Defining the jar manifest in this menu will allow you to either define the important parts of the jar file manifest directly in the wizard, or choose to use a manifest file that already exists in your system. If it's not already selected, click the Generate the Manifest File button, as we have here. You can now choose to save the manifest in the workbench. This will save the manifest for later use. Let's click Save the Manifest in the workspace. Then click Browse Next to the Manifest File field to specify a path and file name for the manifest. As we can see here, we are already given it the path of our project and the name manifest. You can choose to seal the jar and optionally exclude some packages from being sealed, or specify a list with sealed packages. By default, nothing is sealed. To seal the jar means that all classes defined in that package must be archived in the same jar file. You might want to seal a package, for example, to ensure version consistency among the classes in your software. Let's leave it as it is. Click the Browse button next to the Main Class field to specify the entry point for your applications. Browse, Demo. If your class is not on the list, then you forgot to select it at the beginning. Click Finish, and this will create the jar, and optionally a jar description and a manifest file. Now we can see our jar file and our manifest file. Now let's run our jar file. Right-click on the jar file, and in the menu select Run As, select Run Configurations. Let's add a new configuration to Java application. New Launch Configuration button. It already has our project selected. In the main class, we will add our demo class. Let's see the output of the jar file. We can see that it was successful. This concludes our discussion of bundling and using jar package resources in Java.